I'm not totally functioning. Cheers. I have a bunch of bananas going bad, and I promised my grandma I would make banana bread, so I'm just gonna do that right now. Surprise. Picked up this bowl and it has a dead bug in it, so we're gonna wash it. Good morning. It's clean. When I was out last night, some guy got really weird and aggressive towards me. For the microwave. I think this has been used in like 7 years, so I'm gonna wash it. This isn't one of those recipes you measure too much. I measure with my heart. Ancient, like this is old. Works. My butter wasn't melted enough. When you're doing your makeup and you like have to trust the process, that's how this bread is. Success. Y'all doubted me. Dos huevos. Bleep. Bleep. Vanilla extract always just smells insane to me. Boop. And salt. Boop. So I always like lightly mix it in first, because if not, it's gonna go everywhere. Like we're just like smashing the bananas and then it's like a build your own adventure. Also, watch this. Boop. Boop. People are always like, you throw food out the window? Yes, because our compost is right down there. It's so thick. Okay. Oh my god. Boop. If you know, you know. This point, like I said, you do you, boo. You do you. Choose your own adventure.
Definitely got too much close things. Phoenix being over 100.
I know, Grandma was like, did you hear that hella hot? And I was like, you did that hot.
That's right.
No, I had to tell her that I can't do that, and so I had to Google her printer. That's wrong.